Hello friends, today we are making hazelnut financier. So let's begin. We have hazelnut flour, brown sugar, and we have hazelnut butter. For hazelnut butter recipe you can see in the description box. Brown sugar for meringue, icing sugar for meringue, baking powder, 2 large eggs, all-purpose flour, some hazelnut to put on top, and lastly egg whites. So let's begin. First we will beat our eggs and mix baking powder with flour. We will beat our eggs with brown sugar. After mixing we will add our hazelnut flour. When it is mixed we will add all-purpose flour mixed with baking powder, and then we will check the temperature of our hazelnut butter. It must be between 35 to 40. We will add it into the batter, keep mixing, and then we will keep it aside. It's almost done, you can see. Now we will start preparing our meringue. We will add all the sugars together in one go. We will keep mixing our meringue until we get stiff peaks. It's almost there, you can see. Okay, now we will add a small portion of meringue to our cake batter so that our meringue will not collapse. After that we will add all our batter into meringue, and we will fold the meringue into cake batter with light and soft hands. You can see that. Just go slow, and it's almost there. Now we will pipe the mixture in our mold. Go slowly, and then we will top it with some roasted hazelnut. It's optional. Now we will bake this at 170 degree for 18 minutes. After 18 minutes it looks like this. We will cool it down on wire rack, and we will start preparing for our ganache. So for ganache we need following items. We will infuse our whipping cream with Earl Grey tea. Just heat it and then cover it with a cling film. Leave it for half an hour. After that strain it and then again scale it. The reason of scaling again is that we lose some moisture, and you can see we have 80 grams cream, but now we have 54 grams left. So we will adjust the quantity. We will add 30 grams more and we are good to go. Now we will boil our cream with Invert sugar. I'm sorry, I just forgot to press the record button. And then we will pour this on our chocolate. We will mix it until we get homogeneous mixture. Now it's time for assembly. We will put a little bit praline on top, it's optional, and then we will pipe ganache as you like. It is recommended that you leave your ganache at least 8 hours, so you can always prepare in advance. And then we will put some roasted hazelnut on top. The decoration is up to you completely, as you can decorate as you like. I like to keep it minimalist because I like simple things. And that's it. It's ready. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the upcoming recipes. Do try and let me know how do you like it. Until next video, bye bye, ciao.